All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. And we are on box number 2 of, I bought a total of 4 of these boxes from Michaels. If you haven't seen, I'll also have another video that was the first one of this series of 4 that I have. And these boxes aren't Christmas, there aren't Valentine's, they're just clearance stuff that they had around the store. So this could be a random of any type of stuff. So far we've opened up some vinyl and some other things, gems, so it'll be interesting to see what we get in this box, guys. Oh, okay, so let's see. It looks like just a piece of acrylic. And then we got window Klingons, it looks like it says. Window mosaic art Klingons for the movie Wish. And then, oh, we've got some more wooden letters. Looks like we got an R, a Z, and a P. And then, oh, we got some more vinyl. Some of the mosaic vinyl. This is iron-on. Looks like we've got about 4 of those. Black. And then, oh, we did get one of this in the first box. Some little TV plushie. And then we got another charm bracelet. And we got some more little beads. We got quite a bit of these in the first box. If you guys didn't see that video, make sure you look at it. But yeah, it looks like we got tons more of these little beads. And these are like $3 a piece, guys, and this whole box was 10. So I've got some more. It looks like you can either glue or iron these on. Here's some more. And then, oh yeah, there's gonna be tons of them in this box too. Oh yeah, we've got all kinds of colors. Whatever your little heart desires, there's plenty of them. So you guys can see some of these are like multicolored, some of these are a solid color. This one's got, they're like little diamond shape. And then, oh, we got another TV plushie. Oh, and then we did get some of these in the other, oh, this one's really pretty. We got a little charm. And then tension tool for, it looks like for knitting. I'm not a knitter, more of a crocheter. So I'm not really sure what this does. And then, oh, it looks like we got a Cricut iron-on shirt, which is kind of nice. And then we've got some permanent vinyl, some more Cricut vinyl. And oh, it looks like a little coin purse. And then we got some of this unicorn rainflow. Almost looks like slime. I can see this is going to be a mess. And then, oh, it looks like we got some more little charms, some little beads. And then looks like some little pencil. Some little pencil purses. They're actually kind of padded. It's kind of nice. Yeah, it says pencil case. So a couple of these pencil cases. It looks like we got some more of the iron-on vinyl. We got red, gold, black. And then we got a little and sign. Basswood. Oh, we got some little basswood. That would actually be a nice one to try on the Cricut, because this one, the basswood, are the ones that you can actually cut on the Maker 3. And I believe if you have the Explorer 3, it cuts wood too. So these little basswoods will be nice to try out on there. And then it looks like we got like a little face decal and cording craft kit. We make a little cactus. And then we got some little tassels. And then it looks like we got some more of the Fiskars little X-Acto knives. And then we've got this little stickers that say I do. Oh, we got some more Cricut infusible ink. We got this little design. This one might be kind of cool. And then, oh, more gems. So it looks like we got a couple more gems. So that was it for this box, guys, and things are falling down everywhere. So make sure you stay tuned. I've got 2 more boxes coming your way. Like I said, I had a total of 4 of these, so I do have 2 more coming up. So make sure to follow along. And if you haven't, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks, guys. Bye.